everybody, it's Weight Loss Wednesday. And today's Weight Loss Wednesday tip of the day is food prep. Now I'm going to give you some quick and easy ways that you can get some food prep in. Number one, buy some Tupperware. Cook your meals in bulk and divide them up inside of the Tupperware. And then the next tip is, if you eat out a lot and you do not have any time to cook or prepare nothing, then go to your favorite restaurant that has healthy food in it and buy in bulk. Next thing you can do is seek out a food prep company in your area and go to their website and purchase the meal prep. Boom, that's easy. Next one, go to your local grocery store and buy in bulk. You know that deli area where things are already prepped for you. So buy a bunch of salads, fruits, cups, and all of those things like that, and that is your food prep right there. So that is your Weight Loss Wednesday tip of the day, food prep. See you all next week, and make sure if you are looking for any recipes or meals, go to DonnaFit4Life.com. That's DonnaFit4Life.com, and I have all kind of meals plans on there that you can cook and utilize this meal planning tip. You can meal plan and meal prep with me. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, share, tag, comment. Bye-bye.